There we can add a few drops of ordinary tap water. This will thin the paint, prolonging the drying time, resulting in a smoother finish, but it does reduce the opacity, so we'll have to build up the colour in a couple of coats. We're painting directly onto bare plastic, so there may be some issues where the paint tries to pool up due to its surface tension rather than sticking to the model. In these cases, we use short fast strokes of the brush to break the surface tension and concentrate on getting one smooth coat of paint down. When this is dry, we'll apply a second coat over the top to build up the colour, and we can move on to adding the instrument panel markings. After cutting away the instrument panel transfer from the sheet, we'll also trim away the number and then immerse it in ordinary tap water for a few seconds. We can then transfer that onto the cutting mat and leave it for about 2 minutes for the water to loosen the adhesive that holds the transfer printing onto the backing paper. When it's ready, it will move under gentle pressure from a paintbrush, and we can apply a little bit of water to the model surface and slide the transfer into position. Because there's extra water on the surface of the model, this does allow us to reposition the markings using the paintbrush to get it into the perfect place. We can then simply leave that aside to dry fully, and once everything's been dry fitted, we can go ahead and add poly cement to the inside of the fuselage and glue the cockpit into position.